the trunk monkey theft retrieval system. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea pending approval by Department of Agriculture.
Currently, there are far more bookkeepers graduating than there are jobs available. As a result, many of our young accountants have been forced to work on the street just to survive.
I just don't understand how it is that these street accountants are allowed to do what they do in plain daylight for everyone to see. I mean, it just isn't right.
I give my clients what real accountants can't. Commitment-free accounting. No fuss, quick. And I love it.
We met Alan, who's been working the streets as an accountant for over 6 years.
It's just a job. Like any other job, you know, you got your good days and your shit days.
Oh, really? Full annual report.
Oi!
Yeah, it was good.
You'll never touch my tax returns, you dirty booker!
Oh, yeah, deduct this! Hey, you cockhead!
I'll do a first draft in biro. That's excitement you can't erase.
I bet you got big accounts. Shall I have a look at them?
No, mate.
Oh, I mean, you want it. Hey, shall I have a look at your low pool deductions?
Despite public disdain, street accountants will continue to roam our streets as long as there's a demand for them.
Hey, Nicholas.
Hey.
Up for a bit more numbers action, eh?
Yeah.
All right.
Nicholas is one of Alan's regular clients.
I visit street accountants from time to time. I've been with my regular chartered accountant for 15 years. But it's not cheating. I don't think it's cheating being with street accountants. I've just got certain financial needs and they can service them for me. It's fine and no one gets hurt.
I've been Nicholas's chartered accountant for 15 years now, 15 happy years, I'd like to think. But lately he's been cold, he's been distant. I hope I'm just being paranoid, but I'm really beginning to think he might be seeing a street accountant. You'll pardon the pun, Nicholas, but it doesn't seem to add up. So I would like you to tell me the truth. I gave you 15 years of my life, of my career. Didn't I give you good tax returns? Didn't I give you good internally generated revenue reports?
Sam, just stop.
All the telltale signs are there. He's sneaking around. He won't return my phone calls. When I confronted him about it the other day, it was just so hurtful and defensive.
Everything you do and say is boring.
I can change. I can be more exciting. Why won't you give me a chance? I can rule my lines in red if you want. I don't have to use Times New Roman. I could use a funnier font. Comic Sans or something more exciting.
It's not that.
Policing street accountants is an ongoing battle.
Oh, shit, cops.
I've got a lot of regulars who know to be discreet when the cops are around. They're good like that. But every day you get a first-timer. Someone who's used to doing his own taxes and has come down for the experience, you know, a bit of a thrill. And you can pick them from a mile away.
Got my tax. Whoa, hey, keep that in your pants, all right? Sorry, should we not do this here? Yeah, no. What we're going to do is I'll go around the corner and you follow me on foot. All right? Okay. It's a good-looking balance sheet. I'll take care of you. Okay.
For locals like Helen Davis, frustration is growing.
Oh, how do you think we feel? When we first moved to Knoxwood, it was a good area. Then the street accountants moved in. Well, it's no longer fit to raise children. Dirty BAS statements left lying around. Used sharp pacer pencils. It's disgusting. I mean, they don't even bother hiding it anymore. Get out of here. I see you. I've got children. You dirty number-fiddling mongrels. They're right there on our streets and the police do nothing.
I wouldn't say we're doing nothing. I will say this. It is a hard thing to police because unless we actually catch them performing accounting services, then there's actually not a lot we can do. I mean, you can't arrest a guy for just standing on the street. You can't do it. That should stay on, I reckon. That's pretty... Here we go. There they are. Illegal street accountancy right there. Bloody right there. Got 'em. The most important thing about going undercover is your backstory. Know it. Learn it. Know it.
Okay, backstory. What's backstory? Graphic designer, married, 3 kids.
And once you know your character, it's easy. Just play it cool. Hey, anyone can do my taxes illegally?
This guy's a cop.
No.
No, I've got a backstory. I'm a graphic designer. It's a pity you guys came out on that one. They saw through this, and I don't know how. Could have been the police pants. But dry cleaning didn't come back in time.
What you're about to see are the damaging consequences of street accountancy. While it may appear harmless at first, there's little doubt that it destroys lives.
Who's that? That guy?
Oh, no one. No, I didn't think I was seeing you next week, Nick.
Well, I just thought I'd come and say that I've left Des, my chartered accountant. I've left him forever, and I want you to be the one that does all my number crunching.
I'll squeeze at your dividends for a little bit of fun, but that's all it is. It's a little bit of fun. I've got other clients.
Yeah, I don't want you to have other clients. I want to be your only client.
Nicholas, no.
Yeah, it can be tricky when a client gets the wrong idea and becomes a bit too full on.
This is so unfair, Alan. I've dropped everything for you.
I never asked you to. Never asked you to.
You said my petty cash statements were special, right?
I say that to everyone.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You're a prick!
To the sun thickers, you're not coming back! I'm writing you off, mate!
That's the business.
I'm writing you finish!
You know, I'm a street accountant. I work the streets, and I don't mind that. There's something new every day.
How much for a blowjob?
No, I'm not a prostitute, mate. I'm an accountant.
Oh, sorry about that. That's all right. Happens a fair bit, actually.
You might sit at home and scoff, but what's to say in 10 minutes' time I'm not doing your business partner's taxes round the corner? Deal with it.
I wasn't watching that at all.
Who do you think you're honking at, huh? What, you don't like the way I drive? Come on in, I'll give you a driving lesson. You want a piece of me? What's coming out and get you some, huh? Where are you gonna go now? Well, you can't speed up by anybody now. You think you're better than me? What, you think? Oh, I don't like the way you drive. What, you got a fancy new what? Huh? Keep out!
The Trunk Monkey, a revolutionary idea.
All right, back in the trunk.